4:41 right now. Taking a live look outside. We got a shot here from our KYW News radio camera. Beautiful shot there at the Schuylkill and 30th Street Station and the Sierra Center. 61 degrees. Looking ahead to a nice day. Stay with us. We'll be right back.
Test. This is a statewide required monthly test of the Emergency Alert System, originating from the Pennsylvania Emergency Management Agency, Harrisburg. This is only a test.
You can catch our forecast on air, on the app. You can go online to grab it.
But we're also on the radio, updating the forecast with the latest information.
This isn't just some computer that's spitting data out. It's us. We just want to make sure we make it convenient for you to know exactly what the weather is.